All right, so welcome to Eureka Math Squared, Grade 6, Module 5, Lesson 19. This is volume and surface area in real-world situations. So we're going to be hanging out on page 307, so meet me there. I'm going to cruise down. We're a few pages away. 307, 307, swimming pools. All right, so here we are. And we have a swimming pool in the shape of a right rectangular prism. So, maybe something like this. Nice little swimming pool. It's a big old box, I guess. And it's 14 feet long, right? So 14 feet long. And it's 8.5 feet wide, or 8.5 feet wide, and it's only a 3 foot deep, right? So 3 foot deep pool. So little pool, nothing too crazy. How much water can it actually hold? Well, if we're looking for the amount of water it can hold, guess what, folks? Yep, you guessed it. Volume, right? So volume, all we have to do is take those three dimensions and multiply them out. Okay, so I'll write over here. The formula is already taken care of. Okay, so I just need that 14, and I need that 8.5, and I need that 3. Okay, now you can multiply these in any order you want, but I am going to need a little bit of space, right? So how about I take care of let's see, the 14 times the 3, why not? Okay, 14 times 3, there's a 12, and there's a 3 plus 1 is a 4. Okay, so that takes care of those guys. So I have a 42 and times an 8.5. Okay, and one more round. Okay, so let's see. So an 8.5, let me put that up top. Why not? And a 42. And let's go to work there. There's a 10. And a 16 plus 1 is a 17. I'm done with that. I'm done with that. There's a 20. And a 32, 33, 34. Okay, so 0, 7, add them up, right? 5, 3. Don't forget your decimal. So 357. Okay. Let's see. Yep, 357.0 if you want. Feet squared. I think feet. Yep. Feet cubed. Sorry, is the volume. Let's see. So that's how much water it holds. Let's put that in a sentence. The pool holds 357 cubic feet of water. Okay. So far, so good. Let me put that in a nice little bubble. There you go. Now, we have a pool liner. Okay, so now if we have a pool liner, this is going to go up against the face of each side of this prism, right? So if I have, let me do that again a little big. So if I have a rectangular prism like this, right? That means every face except for the top, right? Because it's an open pool, you're not going to put a pool liner on the top of this pool, okay? Is going to need a liner to keep the water in so it doesn't leak, right? So I have a 14, right? 14, what was that? 8.5, 3 feet there, right? 3 feet, and an 8.5 there. Okay, so I'm going to need to find this guy. We'll call him surface area, or area A. The left side and the right side are going to be the same, right? Those guys are going to be the same. And the front of my box and the back of my box are going to be the same, no top. Okay, so this is all surface area. Surface area, because we're lining this with the pool and with with a vinyl liner or some kind of cover, and we're not filling it up. So I'm looking for surface area. So SA for surface area. And since we have a length and a width and a height, I'm going to lay this out. Now we only have one bottom, right? We only have one bottom. And the bottom is the width and the length. Okay, so I'm just going to put that width times a length. I need that. Now I need, let's say, these B's, right? I need these guys. I need two of them, right? There are two of those. I suppose I could have done that first, right? I need one A, I need two areas for B's, and I need two C's, okay? See how that works? So now I'm going to do a 2, okay, times, and I'm doing my B's, and the B's are this guy right here, right? So that's the height, and a width, okay? So height and a width, two of them, the left and the right. or the front and the back, or however you want to talk about that. And then I need these guys, which is a length times the height, right? Length times the height. So length times the height. And I need those. All right. And I think I'm all set up for this. All I need now is to put in the values and then multiply. So the width is always 8.5. The length, right, we have is 14, plus 2 times the height, which is 3, and the width, which is 8.5, plus 2, another length, 14, times the height, which is 3. Wow. All right, so we just have to pull off all this multiplication. Let's see. So 14 times an 8.5, I'll put that 8.5 on top, all right? There's 20, 32, 33, 34. Done, done. A 5 and an 8. 0, 9, what is that, 11? Decimal. So 119 for that guy. Let's see, 2 times 3 is 6. So I need 8.5 times 6. There's a 30, 48, 49, 50, 51. Decimal. So 51. Okay. And one more. Here's another 6. So I need a 14 times a 6. So 24. 6 plus 2 is 8. 84. Yeah, we're looking pretty good. All right, so one last round, we just need to add, right? So 119, 84, 51. Let's put them all together so we can cover and put a lining, a nice line around this pool, right? So 10, 4, 14, right? Let's see. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Carry the 1, and we get a 2. 254, and it's all in feet. Feet squared or square feet. So let's see. To line the pool, comma, 254 square feet of material is required. All right, and that's the deal. Okay, folks, let me put a big old bubble around that because we are done. Cool. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. All right, take your time and figure things out and make sure you're reading correctly so you know what's going on. And that's the deal. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget, math rules. Take care. So long. Bye-bye.